Hi guys, playing with my Rubik's Cube again. Just playing with the patterns and simple rotations. What I'm going to do this time is just turn one side each time. So in the common notation it will be right, back, left, front. Right, back, left, front, right, back, left, front, continuously to get it from where it is now. In fact, I'll do red, white and blue. To get it from there, right the way through the sequence, back to there. And I've tried it once already, and it took me several hours. A lot of the sequences I've tried are just sort of 24 turns or maybe 40. This seems to go in cycles of 60, but I lost count how many total turns it was that I did. We're into thousands. So I'll just start. So this is the one. That actual piece there is the one that I keep turning or keep pushing away from me, and I'll actually turn the whole cube rather than trying to do right, back, left, front, because my hands will get in the way. So this is what I mean. That piece there away from me, so that's right. That piece there away from me, which is now back, but it's right to me. That piece there away from me, so that's actually the left side from where we started, but it's still my right. And then that one there away from me, and that was actually the front face if we were back where we started. I won't keep talking all the way through it, I'll just keep doing it. As I say, it seems to go in cycles of 60, so that was 4 turns. If you count my turns, on the 60th, we'll have a blue face on the top again, but all the others will be mixed up. So it's my red, white and blue piece away from me. I will of course speed the video up, because there's no way we're going to expect you to sit and watch this for several hours. Somebody will be able to show the maths on exactly how many turns this will take, but I've no idea. Done. Well, that was quicker than I expected. So about 24 minutes of continuous right, back, left, front, right, back, left, front. Well, that surprised me. But then I wasn't trying to do it so fast last night when I was practicing. I was actually trying to count the turns. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.